How to unzip a file on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily unzip a file on your Android device. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your file manager and locate your zipped file. So for example, if I just open it up here, I'm just going to head over to my internal storage, then downloads, and then I'm going to open up my Telegrams folder here. So here is a zip file on my downloads. As you can see, if I try to open it up, it is asking me to extract the file here. So what I'm going to do is long press on it, and then tap on the three lines, and here you'll find an option to extract, or if you want to extract to current folder, you can do that as well. I'm just going to extract it to current folder and replace the existing file. And once you have done that, as you can see, the file has been extracted. So let me just open it up. So here is the file that has been extracted, and that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.